All right, guys. Good evening. This is the putting it all together video. I have done the video on the selection of brokers. Okay, I recommended the broker IC markets for my students. We went through the interface of MetaTrader 4. After teaching you guys how to download it from IC markets. Okay, we went into looking at all these two tools, okay, under these two boxes, okay. Then I taught you guys how to use all the drawing tools as well, how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool and everything, virtually just about everything you need to start using MT4 effectively. So this video is going to be putting it all together, okay. I'm going to tie all the pieces together, to do a video that will show you the comprehensive way to use your MetaTrader 4 to trade Forex, okay? So right now, what I'm going to do now is to do my trade analysis. I'm going to use these tools that I've taught you to mark up my chart. Thereafter, I'll generate the signals. When I generate the signals, then I'll take these trades, okay, according to my signal. Then you guys see how everything will be put together so that after watching this video, you'll be able to use MT4 to execute your trade. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just zoom into this whole program. Okay. All right. So now, first of all, the currency I want to review this night, analyze this night is UJ. That is the dollar yen. Okay, currency pair. I just chose it randomly. Okay, in case you have any other currency pair you want me to analyze, feel free to drop me a message on the YouTube channel. I will find time to analyze the market and I will give you what you need. So right now, we start with the top-down analysis. That's my approach. So we start from a higher time frame. I usually start from the monthly time frame to look at what this currency pair is doing. So when I look at the monthly time frame, it will give me a perspective, an idea of what this market is doing. So you can see this market is overly bullish, okay? You can see what the market is doing. The market is making series of higher highs, higher low, okay, higher high, okay, higher low, okay, about making a higher high. Let me see if a higher high has been made here. Yes, a higher high has been made. Okay, this candle has closed above, okay, this other last peak, swing high, okay. There's a close above it, so this market is in an uptrend, okay. So the top-down analysis from the weekly time frame shows that this market is in an uptrend, okay. So let's drop down to the weekly time frame. All right, this is the tool. I'm using this tool to reset this chart. Okay, so that's what you do. The other thing I forgot to teach you guys is that this vertical axis is the price axis. When you left click it, drag it up and down, it will extend and increase the height, the maximum height of the candlesticks. Okay, you can see if you left click, drag down, it will reduce the height. Left click and hold and drag it up, it will increase the height. Okay, so that's how to use that particular feature. So now on the weekly time frame, what is this market doing? The market is making a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Okay, so this market is also in an uptrend from the weekly time frame perspective. So let's drop down to the daily time frame to see what this market is doing. Okay, so right now we have two time frame in sync. Okay, now the what is the daily time frame doing? Okay, so guys, what can you see that this market is doing? Let me use this magnifying glass to zoom out on the chart. Okay, zoom out on the chart. I'll reset it with this. Okay, these are all the things I taught you guys. Okay, so now, so for what I can see, this market is also in an uptrend. Okay, this is the swing high. This is the highest high. Okay, this highest high. So the market has closed above this previous high. So what this market is doing is that the market is still in an uptrend. So from the daily time frame, this market is also bullish. Okay, so guys, I will be looking for only buy trade opportunity in this currency pair. Okay, only buy trade opportunity. There is no other thing I'll be looking for here apart from looking for a what? A buy trade opportunity. Guys, note that this trade is going to be a swing trade. I'm going to swing this trade. I'm not going to scalp it. I'm not going to day trade it. I'm going to swing this trade, and that's my trading lifestyle. Okay. All right. So thereafter, what do? I mark out my levels. Okay. I return back to the higher time frame to take my structure levels. Okay. I reset the chart here. I want to take my levels now. Okay. I use the rectangle tool to mark my levels. Okay. These are the high levels in this market. Okay. You target the body of the candlestick, not the wick. Okay. The body of the candlestick. So I want to draw a rectangle to represent my support and resistance levels. Okay. I use this rectangle. Okay. I want to duplicate this rectangle. Okay. This is my resistance. I want to draw the support. Okay. I hold down the control key. I left click and drag it to duplicate this level, this rectangle, to draw my support zone or my support level. Okay. Okay. So for this market, this is my immediate support level and this is my resistance level. Okay. I want touch the body of the candlestick, the wick here. So I'm okay with this. Okay. All right. So guys, here I now know that this market is what this market has shown me a particular market structure. Okay. So I'm happy about it. I want to reduce the color of this rectangle. It's so bright. So I want to reduce it to this other color. All right. Perfect. Okay. The same thing here. Okay. The same thing here. So okay, what I do, I want to copy that color. Okay. Let me copy the color. This is the color. All right. I copy it. Copy, cancel. You come back here to paste the same color so that you have the same color for this other one. Okay. Sorry. Let me select this rectangle properties. Which color am I going to put here? I just come to paste that color. Control V to paste it. So it has chosen the same color I used for this resistance. Okay. And I say okay. All right. Good. All right. So I double click here to remove the handle, double click here to remove the handle. Okay. Fine. So I will drop down to the weekly time frame. Okay. I drop down to the weekly time frame. I drop down to the weekly time frame. Okay. When I drop down to the weekly time frame, I look for my levels. Okay. I look at what the market is doing. All right. Sorry, excuse me. What is this market doing? Okay, fine. Okay. See the other level down there. Okay, no problems. All right. Okay. Let's see. This is where the other level is. Let me go back to the I should be at weekly time frame. Sorry, not the. Okay, so I should be at the weekly time frame from the monthly time frame because I'm doing top-down analysis. Okay, so I'm here. Okay, I want to look. I want to see how the monthly structure levels align with my, weekly structure levels. Okay, you can see here it's aligning very well. It's aligning very well. It's touching here, touching here, touching here, touching here. So I'm okay with this, even though there looks like another level here, okay, which we can also recognize, okay. Um, okay. What do we do? This is a level. Okay, so let me zoom out on this chart. Let me zoom out on this chart to see if I can identify a proper structure level to the left hand side. Okay, let me use this horizontal line tool and see if I can see a level here. All right, see if I can see a level here. Okay, here. Okay, here. Okay, okay, fine. Let me delete that level. I'm okay with this. Okay, all right, let me zoom in on the chart again. Okay, and reset my chart. All right, so now I'm okay with this level. If you like, you can choose here, but I think this swing point are just okay for me, okay? This is also a swing point that the market may react off from, Okay, but this is where the market is currently, this is where the price action is currently concentrated, not down here. So my focus should be towards this area of price. Okay, so let me zoom in on this chart. Okay, so fine. Is there any other level on the at the weekly time frame that is important? This level is important, this level is important, and this level is important. So I can come and draw another rectangle to represent the weekly levels. Okay, all the major levels. I'm going to use this color to represent the major levels. Okay, all right. So higher time frame structure levels. Here, there's a swing point, swing point, swing point here. I can bring this lower to touch here. So I touch body here, touch here, touch here, touch here. So I have a very good structural line level here. Okay. All right. So I don't want to crowd my charts with plenty levels. Okay. So for now, this is okay. So I want to drop down to the next time frame, lower time frame, which is the daily time frame. Okay. So this is where I am. Okay. I can refine this level from the weekly time frame. I can refine it. Okay. Is there need to refine it? Well, um, let me try and do something, guys. Let me try and do something. Just hold on for me. Let me refine this level. All right. Take it up slightly. Take it up slightly here. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. I like what I'm seeing now. Okay. Perfect. Good. I like what I'm seeing. All right. All right. So these are my levels. Okay. Let me now drop down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame may appear to be my entry time frame. I don't know yet, but let's see what this market is doing. All right, let's see what this market is doing. Let me try to refine this chart further. I can draw a horizontal line here. Okay, let me zoom in on this chart and see what's happening on the left hand side. Okay, see what is happening on the left hand side. Okay, let me zoom in a little. Reset this chart, move it to the left hand side. Okay, see, this is structure swing point. Okay, this is also structure swing point. So that level is important. Okay, so I want to change it to, let me change it to another color. All right, let me change it to this green. Okay, and possibly make it bold. All right, so okay, fine. Okay, so that level is very important for me because I've seen how price is reacting off that level. Okay. All right. So, guys, we are looking for only buy opportunity in this market. Okay. But that does not mean that the market cannot reverse and start coming down. Okay. But let's see. If we see an opportunity for you to break structure and come and retest it, we'll look for a buy opportunity. Okay. So, guys, this is what the market is currently doing here. So, what do I do? What do I do from here? Okay. So let me use a rectangle to let me use a rectangle for that structure. It's just that it's going to be too tight. I don't want my chart to be I don't want my chart to be too crowded. I think this level is important. It's okay. All right. That level is okay. Then okay, what I can do here, um I can also refine this level here. Okay, so let me go back to the monthly time frame. Okay, and take that level out. Okay, let me take that level out. I use that daily time frame level to represent it. Okay, I'm still good. I know that area is the area I'm expecting, price to react off from. Okay, so I'm good here. I'm good here, guys. I'm good here. Okay, I'm good here. All right. So let me extend it like this. Okay, I want to reduce the color setting a little bit. It's too shiny. I want to lighten it. All right, so this is what I have. So what the market is actually doing here is that the market has entered a range here. So I look for an opportunity for that range to break out. So let me use another rectangle to draw out the range of this market. Okay. This time around, I don't want this rectangle to be a background. So I remove it. I want it to be a black color. I just need a black rectangle. Okay, and I just need it to be very thin. I say okay, all right. So guys, this is what I want. Okay, now this market has entered the range on the daily time frame. The market is ranging here. Okay, so guys, what I will look for here is that I will look for a breakout from this range. If markets break out of this range and retest structure, okay, I will now look for a buy opportunity. Okay, I'll look for a buy opportunity of this rectangular range. Okay. So guys, that is how I'll enter this market. But first of all, let me drop down to the 4 hour time frame and see if I could see additional opportunity on how this market can be entered or traded. Okay. So on this time frame, okay. All right. Okay. See guys, you see what is happening? The market has moved away from that area. Okay. Has moved away from that area. Okay. I'm hoping that it will come back to structure here, to test structure here. I don't know what's happening to this chart, but let me try and reset it. Let me try and reset the chart. Okay. All right. Okay. This line is too thick. I want to reduce it, so I go back to the weekly time frame. Okay, and reduce it, extend it. Okay. I want you to touch the body a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. So back to my 4 hours. Okay. Back to my 4 hours. Okay. All right. So guys, this is what I have here. Okay. Um, I can draw another rectangle here. Grab this rectangle to draw another rectangle here, just to draw my support level. Okay. Because I want this chart to look beautiful. Don't worry. I want it to look beautiful. Background. I want to draw this as my support level. Okay. Use this gray for my support level. Okay. Guys, just watch me. Okay. This is how I mark up my chart. Okay. It's very interesting. You enjoy it. Okay. This is how I generate all those chart markup that I sent to you guys. Okay. All right. So guys, what I'm expecting here is that I'm expecting market to I can trade this market as a range, but you need to be very careful. You need to have experience to trade this market from the range. If you don't have the experience, do not trade it. Okay. But just for the purpose of this class, I may just decide to wait for the breakout from this range. Okay. I will wait for the breakout from this range, breakout and retest of this range. Okay. But all to the upside. Okay. I'm looking for only a buy trade here. Okay. I'm looking for only a buy trade here. Okay. So let me show you another thing I can do with any of these tools, like the trend line tool. Let me draw the counter trend line here. Okay. Let me draw the counter trend line. Okay. I want to change the color. I don't like that color. Okay. I want to change the thickness of the line. I like this color. Okay. So this is my trend line. I'm using my trend line to draw out the counter trend structure of this market. Okay. Because I need it. It's very important to me. If market breaks the counter trend line, okay, to the downside, okay, if it goes back to the test it above and this major structure, I'll look for an opportunity here. Otherwise, I wait for it to come straight down here, okay? I don't want to trade a counter trend in this market. I don't want a counter trend. Whatever this market wants to do, let it do. I'm only looking for an opportunity to